Hi guys, today we're gonna learn about food chains and food webs. Like, this is a chain. Imagine the cup is a chain. This is one part of the chain. This is a second. This is the third. Imagine if the first part of the chain broke, you can still use it. Second part broke, but if the middle chain breaks, these two are pointless. Like, all of these break make the others pointless, but the middle will make most. Let me take an example. Food chains, yeah. Here, choose that called chain. 3 or 4. Like 1, 2, 3. That in the corner. So imagine this is the sun. It always starts with the sun. I remember this name tag. Here we go. Remember, this is rosemary, the sun. Rosemary takes energy from the sun. What's this? Let me think. Some kind of animals that eat grass. And finally, some types of animals that eat the animals that eat grass. Let's make a special animals. Okay, let's call the animals that eat grass Fred. And there's another animal that eats bread. This is an animal stronger than Fred. And which animal eats Fred? That we're gonna call Fred Hunter. Which animal gonna eat Fred Hunter? This animal must be strong, not very strong, to defeat Fred and eat him, while Fred is just a herbivore eating grass. Like a tiger, lion, whatever. But remember, your food chains need to make sense. Like, starting with desert, grass, then polar bear. Polar bear. First, polar bear doesn't eat grass. Second, desert. In polar bear's environment, it has to make sense. You could end them with bacteria or some kind of animals that eat dead bodies, because bacteria, when they die, the bacteria will consume the dead body. Like that. What about the food webs? The food webs also start with the sun. This is the most easiest example. Get out. Okay, this is the sun. It gives energy to rosemary and peace lily, and Fred eats peace lily and rosemary. There's another called Fred 2, also eat these. And there's Fred Hunter, which eats the Freds. Like this. Imagine sun, 2 plants, 2 animals that eat the plant, 1 animal that eat these, 1 animal that eat this, and 2 animals that eat this. But I do it wrong, because I think the food webs need to end with only 1 animal, but not like the mosquito. Not like the food chain. If one of them broke, doesn't mean they all die. Like the sun. If the peace lily no longer alive or move away, see, then these Freds can still eat this. But if they're both gone, Freds are gonna die, And no threat hunter. No threat hunters, no D's. So food webs broke one, normal. Like imagine webs. If you break like some, that's normal. If you break two, like in the center and here, it's starting to fall out. So if you broke one, it's fine. Or it's super fine. It's super fine. Like let's make a food web. Sun, plants, threats, threat hunter. If the threat hunter died, that means no more predators hunting threats, which make threats. Population increase. So what we got here is the food chains need to start with the sun. It not have to, but it need. Like if your teacher said make a food chain with the longest, you should start it with the sun, then a producer, that animal that eat that, and an animal blah blah blah, and you should end with bacteria, such the bacteria eat the dead body, any dead body, ours too. So you need to start it with the sun and end with the bacteria. That's for more long. And when one of the chain breaks, they all breaks. Like imagine no sun, no mosquitoes, no mosquitoes hunter, then the mosquitoes increase. But the one that eat the mosquitoes hunters die or have to move away. If the last one, the last of the chain, like lions, die, it would be a good thing because the one that the lions hunts, like buffalo, will stay alive more. Population increase. If it break the middle chain, like blah blah blah, and then to the buffalo, no buffalo, no lions. It's like I'll make a simple chain: sun, grass, buffalo, and lion. No buffalo. Grass increase, lion decrease. Imagine if the less thinking us we're in the caves. Oh, yeah, when we lived in caves, we're hunted by dinosaur, and to say some might die to the dinosaur. So imagine if the less food to eat, we might move away or die. Wait, conclusion for the food chain. If one decrease or no longer there, the one that get hunt will increase, and the one that hunt that will decrease. Like grass, buffalo, and lion. Buffalo? No. So it's sun, grass, lion. Lion can't eat grass, so it has to move away. Less lions. Grass, no one eating it. It's gonna grow bigger because no buffalo are eating it. Yeah, understand? Food webs, as I said, break one. Not much, or even so good. Like there's nothing else to say. But if like both are like have this. Let me make a food webs. A sun, grass, two kind of grass, buffaloes, two tigers and lions eat the buffalo. I know, tigers live in jungle and lions live in savannah, but no, this is just an example. Then two are eating it. and the shark somehow managed to eat the lion and the tiger and the killer whale and the sperm whale somehow eat a shark. So what happens when the killer whale is gone? Well, the shark might increase or stay the same. But what if the buffalo decrease or extinct? No one get hunted by the tigers and lion. Shark can't eat these. Killer whale and sperm whale, no more shark. That's all for these. Bye.